Yay, that's from Yuna & Co., your personal fashion stylish. And the next one, they are data analytics startup based on social modeling system for better community and aim to identify, understand audience, measure brand image health, campaign tracker, and also competitive intelligence and trend analysis. And please give big applause for Widya Analytics.
Hi, my name is Mardani Riastiawan. I am the CEO of Widya Analytics. Widya Analytics was founded by three passionate entrepreneurs with a combined of more than a decade in big data space. I was working as lecturer in Universitas Gadjah Mada with focus on big data. I did many research and realized it in the project for deeping problem solving. My co-founder, Giri Aluaga, is senior practice in business and technology who have capital ventures. The other passionate one is Alwi, who is working hard person in technology. We are living in incredible era that everything must be quick, accurate to solve problems and make decisions. Therefore, reliable data is weapon to answer it. We specialize in providing artificial intelligence and machine learning solutions to help people see insight from the big data in many sectors to support companies' decision making. We have Toba.ai that is monitoring platform for public to do brand monitoring, self-monitoring, and custom monitoring. We believe we are stronger day by day because we have our own AI data security center. This is based on the belief that data-driven concept will have ability to make accurate decisions. We have big challenge to achieve SDG. Critical data for development policy making is still lacking. There is no data standardization both in industry and in country. So we offer broad, unbiased data set and complete analytic tool for those needs. DK Plug and Play gives us huge exposure to connect with the market, especially corporates. Plug and Play help us to choose right mentor. We get great experience here, start from communication, business case, until market prospect. You must be prepared to achieve many valuable experience. At Widya Analytics, we believe that reliable data are the future of growth that can make our life better because we make accurate decision making and we can predict what will happen next. Widya Analytics is your best partner for leverage your company and communities. Widya Analytics, data analytics startup to build social modeling for better society.
Hello everyone, my name is Mardani Riastiawan. I'm co-founder and CEO of Widya Analytics. Widya Analytics is artificial intelligence and data analytics startup. Widya Analytics realized that we have opportunity to solve sustainable development goal issue that still growth and exponential happen in the world. Government, industries, and stakeholders has losing resources, opportunity, and value when the issue become risk. Especially during the crisis right now, we need more than strategies, and data is the only guidance to enter the storm. We have challenge when data still scattered, data not in the first place to make decision, lack of data standardization, regulation and security, and also the technology is still puzzle. We bring data integration and orchestration based on AI and data-driven approach as solution. We introduce you Toba.ai as a full pipeline data analytic platform with many capabilities, from automated data acquisition for any resources, manageable and customizable workflow, scoring analytic decision with intelligent algorithm, insightful analytic and decision option. Toba.ai is engine with full feature and use case for many industries like oil and gas, health, retail, and farming. We also have our own product ecosystem from Team AI as COVID detection application, Artifact, an IoT-based health monitoring, and Parallel, a secure data engine. Toba.ai has capability to produce scoring, analysis decision with smart algorithm, and simple and easy interpretation. Our business model are subscription services, custom-based project, open data, and data insight services. Currently, we have run 7 business projects and increasing. International collaboration and national collaboration are our strategies. We have our current investment from UMG Idea Lab Indonesia, want to expand the company into more bigger, from product development, sales and distribution, and also resource scale out. That's why we have planned to open investment opportunity with good business projection in the near future. Widya Analytics, founded by Pak Kiwi Abilarga, Alwi Herfian, and Mardani Riastiawan. We work together with supported by strong and high qualified team in data analytics and AI. Widya Analytics ready to disrupt and gather business opportunity in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Widya Analytics. And the next one, the startup is e-commerce logistics solution for small, medium-sized enterprises in Southeast Asia. So please welcome Biteship.
Hi, my name is Mirza Sadikin, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Biteship. Biteship was founded by three co-founders, me, Afra, and Daffy. We were friends since college and have a background mostly as a business consultant before we started Biteship. We started Biteship because we were quite surprised on how unconnected and inefficient the existing shipping space. E-commerce businesses struggling to find the right technology and shipment tools to grow and manage their shipment at scale. We see that this is a really big problem and also a big opportunity. Our product provides a platform where e-commerce businesses can select the right and reliable shipment carrier based on their needs. In Indonesia itself, we have more than 1,000 carriers, and each of them has their own advantage. It's actually unfortunate for businesses because they only knew very few of them. E-commerce soon to be a $1 trillion market and is growing at an incredible pace. Meanwhile, consumers always want more, better, and cheaper, and businesses want to be more connected to their customers. So we believe shipping is a very important part bridging the connection, and Biteship will help e-commerce businesses to manage their shipment better. We believe having a great network is one of the essential components of having a business, and we see Plug and Play can lead us to connect with great companies or startups. That's where we decided to join. Joining Plug and Play really helped us to understand what's the missing part in our business. If you didn't accept it at your first try to submit again and again, because Biteship got in after 3 times. Good luck. Biteship, powering logistics for e-commerce businesses.
Hi, everyone. My name is Mirza. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Biteship. So today, I'm going to take you to online shopping. So it is the next step after payments. Why the next step after payments? Because I need you to remember this, because this is very important. Every physical product that is sold online requires shipping. But shipping for an e-commerce has a major problem. First, logistic market is fragmented. Every couriers, they also offer many different advantages, many different capabilities, and Indonesia itself, we have more than 500 of them. So what makes it worse is that for their online tools, it's not accessible for developers. So it's hard for us to actually create something on top of it. So me, myself, I can say that because I'm a developer. So it's hard for me back then to get my business online. So why developers and why focusing on them? Because they built these companies. They built these great companies, like from unicorns to high valuation startups. And one thing they have in common is shipping. They require shipping. And right now, back then, they don't have the shipping option like us. But today, here we are. Biteship is Zendeed for logistics. We create logistic infrastructure simple, easy, and affordable for e-commerce businesses. So how are we solving it? We connect as many as logistics and make them as transparent and as easy as possible for them, for developers to create and launch earlier. So we're not a shipping company. We're actually a tech company solving a shipping problem. So let me show you how. Then, for JNE, let's say, I want to connect. We need to approach for a partnership. It takes 2 to 3 days. And then 10 to 30 days to actually run through all legal and all the TNC, 30 to 90 days for development, and also launch. And then suddenly, your CEO, they want you to add more carriers, which takes you the same as 100 more days to integrate. Right now with Biteship, we are 1 Google search away. So for development itself, it takes only 2 to 30 days, and you can launch. And the magic part is that you can only add 5 minutes to have an access of 25 different carriers. It saves you 90 days for your first integration and another 120 days for the next one. So it's very revolutionary. So our business model is quite simple. E-commerce platform can connect to our Biteship platform, which they can expand and explore more logistics options. We take 10 to 40% from each shipment. We're right now currently having a market of 24 million e-commerce and app and websites globally. So we focus on API, apps and tools, and also individual sellers, which converts into $430 billion market globally, 14.3 billion for Indonesian only, and 15% growing year on year, which is one of the fastest growing $1 trillion market. So our shipping platform is connected to more than 25 carriers, and right now we're serving more than 50 clients. Our competitors, domestically, we have Easy Parcel. Internationally, we have Shippo. So this is our team. My friend, we've been friends since high school, and we've done plenty of projects together. So I'm very excited to do this again with them. And in our first year, we actually generated 1 billion rupiah with not over marketing budget than $100. And we're actually a 4-people team, so wearing multiple hats. And we are operating profit since March. Right now, we're seeking funding for $350K to fuel our 4 main activities: generate volume, monetize effectively, retain scale, and ultimately expand globally. So thank you very much. Let's solve the shipping problem with us.
Yeah, thank you, Biteship. And also, the next one is specialized in the business of IT bootcamp and also IT management. They are driven by experiences that build software engineer to support your business. And please welcome Enigma Camp.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan, and I'm the CEO of Enigma Camp. Established in 2017, Enigma Camp was initially one of PT Square Techno Indonesia business line. In 2019, it transformed into PT Enigma Cipta Humanika. Enigma Camp specializes in the business of IT bootcamp and IT talent management and has been specializing in this business for the last 3 years with a list of clients including well-known enterprise company. Enigma Camp is driven by experience that builds software engineers to support your business by its 3 major programs, namely Talent as a Service, Training as a Service, and Job Connector Service. We specialize in providing training and bootcamp in software engineering, also with talent management service. Our mission is to minimize the gap between school or university graduate and the industry. First, expanding our network to other startups and potential investors. And the second one is increase the capability to run business properly by learning the proper process from the expert. There is a lot of knowledge and other benefit for our startup. We believe that by helping companies get the best talents and also job seekers getting relevant jobs will have a major impact on Indonesia's economic growth going forward, especially in IT industry. Also, we believe that Enigma Camp will give a positive impact on Indonesia's future education. To be more proactively follow the program in GK Plug and Play. Enigma Camp, IT Bootcamp, and Talent Management.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Muhammad Irfan, and I'm CEO of Enigma Camp. I will present you about the Enigma Camp. Enigma Camp is an IT company, IT Bootcamp and Talent Management, and has been specialized in this industry for the last 3 years. We have a vision to provide a positive impact on Indonesia's level future education and information technology. To achieve our vision, we have a mission to minimize a gap between school and university graduates to the industry. We have identified some problems that we can solve in Enigma Camp. First, industrial needs for skilled talent in technology, media, and telecommunication sector. In 2020, Indonesia's level A workforce has been deficit in 1.3 million, and it will deteriorate at 3.8 million by 2030. The second problem is youth unemployment and minimum opportunity. Based on Badan Pusat Statistik data, that youth aged 15 to 24 is increasing 1.1% from last year, higher than average rate in Southeast Asia. So that's why Enigma Camp come with several training models, intensive, hands-on, and in-person, that teach participants how to become an ideal software engineers. We combine technical skills training and soft skills training using online training methodology and also offline training methodology. Get in touch with our team. All the C-level in Enigma Camp has been experienced in several industries, such as a financial industry, IT industry, and also education industry. So we also have Mas Kaisang Pangarep and Pak Antoni Gan as our advisor. Enigma Camp is driven by experience that builds software engineers by 3 major programs. First program is a talent as a service. Talent as a service is a complete solution for our corporate client that requires software developer by not hiring them. The second program is training as a service. We act as a training provider for our corporate client. And the last one is job connector service. We are connecting our graduates to the industry. Here is our value proposition. First, collaboration, and then technology expert, practitioner trainer, ready to work bootcamp model, technology and technical and soft skill training, and also a proper training methodology. And this is our market size in B2B business model. Based on a global talent crunch report by Conferry, that total salary of Indonesia's level A workforce in telecommunication, media, and technology sector is around 63.9 billion USD. And total salary of Indonesia's level A workforce in technology sector only is around 8.4 billion USD. So we assume that 0.06% market share from total salary of Indonesia's level A workforce of technology is around 5.7 million USD projected by 2022. Here is our traction. Currently, we have more than 14,000 graduates. Also, we have 104 placement, and also we have growth more than 2,000% from last year's. Here is our key partners. Most of them came from financial industry and the IT company. Last one, we are looking forward for collaboration. There are some key points that we can collaborate. First, believe and have some vision or mission with the company. The second key point is to fundraising to bring the company achieve the next plan, the next step of business plan. The third key point is helping the company to connect with the potential business partner. And the last one is to provide mentorship to achieve the company's strategies and goals. That would be all. Thank you for your time. Good afternoon.
Yay, thank you, Enigma Camp. And for the next one is a tech company with a vision to transform Indonesia's workforce through digitalization of talents, through certification and future-ready courses. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome MyEduSolve.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Saputra, the COO and founder of MyEduSolve. MyEduSolve aims to transform Indonesia's workforce through digital literacy. We developed MyEduSolve because we felt that in order for us to reach our potential as a country, we need to first focus on capacity building and empowering Indonesians through digital literacy. We specialize in providing education solutions to SMK, higher education, and young professionals. We believe that by focusing on capacity building, we can realize Indonesia's potential as a country. We also believe that this will ultimately bring economic prosperity for more and more Indonesians. There were a lot of things that we were unsure about and we needed guidance from experts. And GK Plug and Play was highly recommended by a lot of friends. I'm also a big fan of a few of the startups that went through the program, such as Sayurbox, 8 Villages, and Assembler. Being a part of the GK Plug and Play Indonesia program has been a pivotal moment in our startup journey. It helped us recenter and realign our focus, and it pushed us to think and do better. MyEduSolve. Get certified, be qualified.
Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? My name is Stephanie Saputra and I'm from MyEduSolve. Our mission is to educate, enable, and empower individuals so that they can execute and excel in the workforce. An entrepreneur is one of two things, someone who solves a problem or someone who makes something better. We want to do both of those things. And the three problems that we want to solve in Indonesia is the high youth unemployment rate, a digitally unready workforce, and an expensive education system. From here, we see three solutions. The first one being link and matching between education and the industry. The second is fundamental digital literacy for all. And the third is creating and providing affordable future-ready courses for everyone. Let us introduce you to Aryo. Like many Indonesians today, he graduated from SMK. And he tried and failed to get a job for over a year. Thankfully, he didn't give up, and he decided to study with MyEduSolve and get a certification in MTA in Python. In less than 3 months, he got a job as a data scientist in Singapore, and we believe that this is a story that we can replicate for many more youths in Indonesia today. Throughout this time, we also have to innovate in the time of crisis, which leads to the creation of our blended learning platform, MyEduSolve X. Empowered by a local practitioner, it's from Indonesians for Indonesia. We talked a little bit about link and matching, and what it means is we're working together with the existing ecosystem of vocational schools and higher education, and providing them with certifications that are internationally recognized and industry approved for things like computer science, visual communications, and entrepreneurship. What makes us different in the edtech landscape is that we are focusing solely on the future-ready courses and with international certifications. We were established in February 2019, and last year we made $5 billion rupiah in revenue. And this year we were able to triple that number to 18 billion. And in terms of learners, we had 13,000 last year, and this year we added 25,000 more. 5,000 of which is for the new platform, MyEduSolve X. And in sum, our Net Promoter Score is 57.3%, which is considered great in our industry. We also believe not just in the quantity, but also in the quality of education that we're providing. And here are some of the things that our learners are saying about us. All of these things will not be possible without our team, which is divided into 4 groups. The first is product and engineering. The second is marketing and creative. The third is business development, and the fourth is operations and support. We are looking for a $500,000 investment that we will use to further develop the products, marketing, and also operations, which will help us achieve our goals in 2021, which is 100,000 learners, and also a new business model that is based on subscription, which will make it more affordable for people. And also, thirdly, personalized learning that's powered by artificial intelligence. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. This is an African proverb that I really love. And this is why we are also looking for a strategic partner and strategic advisor. Thank you so much for your time. And I would also like to say thank you for the GK Plug and Play team. It really has been an honor. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, MyEduSolve, for a great presentation. And before we jump to the last startup pitch, I want to remind you guys about if you are a startup, please don't miss to register yourself to join GK Plug and Play program at bit.ly/PNP batch 8. And now, this is turn for the last startup. The startup that will make you to say goodbye to the hassle of recording incoming money transaction, money out, to record your debt and receivables, monitor your business finances in one application, anywhere at any time. So proudly present to you, Moodah.
My name is Arini Astari and I'm the CEO of Moodah. I founded an IT consultant where we built platforms for startups and big corporates such as PwC, Toyota, DBS Bank, and many more. One of the startup projects that I led was building P2P lending platform that managed $70 million of total loans. 70 to 80% of small businesses in Indonesia go bankrupt within 1 year because they have no visibility of their business. With our 5+ year experience building ERP solution for big corporates, we believe that we can build a super app for SMBs in Indonesia and helping the Indonesian small and medium businesses to sustain. Our aim is to become a new banking platform that can help financial institutions to reach the undeserved market in Indonesia. The needs for financial services, especially in Indonesia, is growing exponentially year by year, so the market cap will go higher as time goes by. We're helping digitize mom and pop businesses, enabling them to track their daily account through our bookkeeping applications. Helping millions of small medium businesses in Indonesia to improve their business by providing tech solutions that they need. Our platform will be an enabler for them to seamlessly integrate with the bank and other financial institutions, while at the same time giving the supporting documents to the financial institutions to accredit the SME for the KYC process. We also enable them to have a centralized data, giving them a clear vision regarding their business conditions based on the data they provide. This will help them make a better decision for their business. We believe that with the help from GK Plug and Play program, we can enhance our interpersonal skills in terms of running a startup from the market growth perspective, internal team cohesive, as well as sharpen our critical thinking. We also think that through GK Plug and Play, we can collaborate with PNP ecosystem by providing the suitable solution to solve big problems, especially in micro, small, medium market in Indonesia, as well as helping the untapped market from undeserved businesses to unbanked individual. It's a good learning experience for us where we learn a lot not only from the mentor, but also from other startups. You need to be very obsessed with your startup, but at the same time be open-minded for changes. Moodah ID and bookkeeping application for mom and pops businesses in Indonesia. 70 to 80% of small medium businesses in Indonesia go bankrupt within 1 year because they have no visibility of their business. We are Moodah. We're helping to digitize mom and pop businesses, enabling them to track their daily account. From this to this. Now, let's see how it works. So business owner can download our app in Google Play Store or Apple App Stores. After that, they only need to enter his phone number for registrations. Just like that. And done. Immediately, they can record their transactions. They can select their partner directly from the address book, which make it very convenient, and input the amount, and done. They can also send the invoice via WhatsApp chat, which make collecting process is easier. Now, business owner can view their business statement or profit or loss instantly, which help them to make decision better and faster. And the best part for them, Moodah is free. There are 60 million of small medium businesses in Indonesia that still running their business with pen and paper. Moodah serves the $41 billion market for retailers and distributors. I'm Arini and I'm the CEO of Moodah. I founded an IT consultant where we build platform for big corporates and startups. One of project that I led was building P2P lending platforms that manage $70 million of total loans. Muhammad Irfan is our head of tech. Previously, he built ERP system for big corporations which have annual revenue in more than $50 million. And Alexander runs business development. He has worked more than 10 projects with the Indonesian government. He had closed deal more than $5 million over the past 4 years. And before starting Moodah, the three of us worked together serving many big corporate clients such as DBS Bank, Toyota, PwC, and the Indonesian Department of Transport. We have recorded over $80 million for the last 4 months, with more than 30,000 SMBs sign up in our platforms. We partner with the Indonesian Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the biggest Muslim organization in Indonesia, NU, which will introduce us to 30,000 more SMBs. We've backed by SOSV, and here's the accelerator program that we joined. Currently, we are raising for $500K US for supporting growing our sales pipeline and build our monetization plan. So if you are interested in helping digitize mom and pop businesses and how we make money of it, let's discuss more. Thanks.
Thank you Moodah, seperti namanya ya, tentunya Moodah ini akan membantu untuk business owner memudahkan menjalankan bisnisnya. And Moodah presentation concludes our startup pitches for today. And thank you for everyone for being an amazing audience. Dan tentunya nih semua startup yang luar biasa sudah kami hadirkan untuk Anda. Dan we hope you have enjoyed our startup pitches and have a better understanding about our portfolio companies. Dan kami ucapkan terima kasih untuk bergabung di event hari ini. Thank you for joining our event and also please enjoy our demo and have a good day.